Hey Paul. So I found your Facebook page. Looking at here, when I go to click on your website, I get this: your connection is not private, so you don't have this secured. It's a domain hosting problem. I just started trying something. Yeah, it still doesn't work. So yeah, when you click on this, it just brings this up. Um, so you want to make sure you get your website secured, so people can view it. Go on to Google, type in HVAC Boston. First, you got the ads. So they're supposed to be a little less spammy, better ads. You had to be verified by Google to get them. Then you got the original ads down here. Then you got the GMB. Then you got organic ranking. This is just a directory, but grabbing this guy, I go on his website. This is what it looks like. He's got a fair amount of content on here. Um, these reviews help add them. Then he's got other stuff. He's got 1,074 words of content on his website. The more content you have, the better. It helps. Google loves content. You want to have keywords within that content as well. It'll just help improve your ranking and give you more keywords that you're ranking for. The next thing is images. Let's see what this is saved as. He doesn't have it saved right. You'd want this to be saved as a keyword. That's a missed opportunity that a lot of people don't take. Google can't see what the photo is, but it sees what it's saved as, and then it'll give you a keyword for that because it takes what it's saved as a keyword. Next thing, plugging this guy in Ahrefs, we'll see he's got 21 UR, 23 DR, so those are pretty good. He's got 678 backlinks, 103 referring domains, 965 keywords, and he gets 628 people to his website a month. So those are pretty good numbers. Coming here, he gets most of that from him, Atlantic Heat and Atlantic Air Conditioning. Basically, his company name. But we can come down here. I'm gonna actually do this a little bit easier. Type in Boston and see what Boston ones he's got. HVAC Boston, Massachusetts, 90 and 6 KD. He's ranked number 1. He gets 17 people a month. No people are currently doing ads for that one. Where people are paying $19 to click for heating repair Boston. Obviously, heating repair, a little bit more buyer intent than HVAC. But 70 volume, 1 KD. So it's the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for organically, and the higher the harder. 6 KD is pretty easy though. Still, 1 KD is very easy. 5 KD is easy. 13 is pretty easy. 16 is a little more difficult, but it's not terrible. But HVAC repair, HVAC air conditioning service, Boston MA, 40 and 1. HVAC companies, Boston, 60 and 5. AC service, Boston MA, 40 and 0. HVAC contractors, Boston MA, 70 and 1. And we can just keep going down the list. Boston Heating, Boston Heater, 71. And we can just find ones that we like, and add them to your website and start ranking for them. 113 there, 90 and 5. There's a whole bunch of them on here. And we can go check out other pages as well and check out other competitors. And there's lots of ways to find different keywords out there. Next thing would be the GMB. So coming down here, grabbing this guy. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. You want to make sure you set up 100%. You don't want to skip steps. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The photos are the content for your GMB. And then would be citations. Citations are just directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and BBB. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can get social profiles too, like Facebook, YouTube. But yeah, you want to make sure you have the name the same as your GMB, the phone number, and then the location to be the same. Go and put in this guy in here. He's got 16 citations. We can see what he's got. He's got Yellow Pages, Super Pages, and 3 best rated. Those are all pretty easy to get. You can come in here, click on them, see what they are, and list your business. And then just fill this out and get yourself a citation. It's pretty easy to do. It's just time consuming, takes time. I can go to Google, find a whole bunch of them, grab these guys, and start ranking for your GMB. Hopefully that helps. I'd love to hear your feedback on this video. Um, you're welcome to, if you want, we can talk more about what we can do to help. If not, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.